Welcome to another fucking video.
Frickin' video.
Anyways, today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we will be unboxing the DJI RS4 gimbal. I bought this about, last month before Christmas, and I haven't had the chance to open it or use it because of the holidays and stuff. But I've been wanting a gimbal for a very long time, and I think this might be new. I could be wrong, but they just started selling it on Best Buy, so it's new to Best Buy. But let's go ahead and get it open. I have had a terrible amount of luck with gimbals because I bought about 4 gimbals in total. None of them actually did what I needed them to do. For example, the first one was for a mirrorless camera, and you guys are not on a mirrorless camera, so it did not hold the weight. But first box, because it comes with 1, 2, 3 items. To be honest with you guys, I did not do much research on this gimbal, so I don't know what's in here. All I know is that it has the ability to hold up to 7 pounds, which is exactly what I need. First thing is a little stand right here. This goes on the bottom of the gimbal, so we'll put it to the side. This, I believe, looks like battery / grip thingy for the gimbal. I have no fucking idea what this is. Again, I did zero research on this gimbal, so I don't know what's supposed to be in here and what is not supposed to be in here. I believe this is the little plate where you put the camera or slide the camera in, or it could be the plate for you to put your camera vertical, because this gimbal also comes with an extra plate that most don't, so then you can film reels and stuff like that vertical. Most gimbals, the older ones, you have to buy that separately, and they're like $50 to $100 a piece. So well, I'm glad that it came with that. On this other box, we have the thing that makes everything work, which is all the wires. Get rid of this box too, and this box, because we don't need it. Look at that. We'll put it together. So this will be the stand. I don't think that's a battery. I think I lied. Boom. Again, I'm not a gimbal expert. I don't know much about gimbals, so I'll be learning alongside you guys. More cables. Have a little click. Oh, it's an extra one of these little sliders right here. I guess just in case you lose one, it has an extra one, which most likely gonna come in handy because I tend to lose things a lot. This thing, I don't know what that is.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know, because I don't know what any of this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is what helps you screw your camera into the gimbal. So I do know something. Would you look at that? Voila, we put our first Lego piece together. But now let's get to the big show. We'll put Julio to the side right here, looking at you guys. So my goal for this gimbal, which is why I bought it to begin with, is so I can help film reels, videos, do everything that comes with, you know, cinematic filming and reels and advertisement and pretty much anything along those lines. So that is my goal for this gimbal, because I've been filming a couple videos for a couple companies, but they come out super shaky and it just doesn't look well. So having a gimbal will definitely help. This will be my first time actually operating a gimbal once I balance it and do everything else with it. So this goes right here. So here's the gimbal in its full effect. It's pretty cool. It's not even heavy at all. It's pretty lightweight. I know that was one of the things that it said, is that it's supposed to be lightweight and easier to handle things. I know my camera's like about 6 pounds or probably 5. So I know for a fact that this should be able to handle it. Here's the gimbal opened up a little bit. You put your camera here, or if you're going vertical, you make it go vertical. Apparently it's supposed to be user friendly, so if you're somebody like me who has absolutely no fucking idea on how to use this, you're supposed to get it quick. It has a lot of buttons. I haven't read the instructions. Again, this is my first time opening it. I would do a review video maybe soon in a couple months when I'm actually a master and know how to use this genuinely. But I just want to make a quick unboxing video because I don't have any on this channel. So it's not a review, it's just an unboxing, right? So hopefully I'll do a review soon, and I will show you guys some clips of how I used it and other videos I've made with it, because I definitely plan on using it a lot. If anything, this will probably be my daily tripod. I've seen a lot of people vlog with gimbals, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.